Forklift operation cause many accidents, and every year there are 85 deaths just because of forklift accidents. Additionally, forklift accidents cause 34,900 serious injuries and 61,800 minor injuries worldwide every year. Today, we're going to look why there are forklift accidents. What are the hidden factors that cause a forklift accident? You know very well, accident does not cause just because of one reason. There are many causes. For example, management is the number one cause. Unsafe operation, unsafe and unmaintained plants and equipment, and above all, the human factors. We'll discuss each and every single reason one by one. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Dear friends and fellows, remember this is part 2 of forklift training series, and we are discussing today the common causes of forklift accidents or incidents. First of all, we'll see the factors of work organization that contribute to a forklift truck accident. The reason for accident might be: number one, production factors such as speed or stress. Number two, lack of proper tools, attachments, and accessories. Number three, improper assignment of forklifts and operators. Number four, poor maintenance of forklifts. Number five, age of forklifts. And number six, lack of training or improper training of workers who have to operate forklift trucks. Dear friends and fellows, you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you're first time on this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Let us understand the factors that can contribute to forklift truck accidents. Number one, traveling at excessive speed. Number two, riding with the load elevated. Number three, improper backing up techniques. Number four, improper turning, braking, or accelerating. Number five, improper warnings to others about a forklift in use nearby. Number six, poor communication during shared tasks or in shared workspaces. Number seven, not being aware of the route to be traveled. For example, narrow passages, obstacles, poor surface conditions, etc. Factor number eight, riding or giving rides on forklift or load. Number nine, parking the forklift improperly. Point number 10, improper blocking of wheels on semi-trailers or railway cars. Point number 11, horseplay, stunt driving, jerky, and erratic driving. And point number 12, inadequate servicing and maintenance of the forklift truck. These are the major causes of forklift truck accidents in the workplaces. As a safety practitioner, as an operator, or as a workplace in charge, you must understand the workplace design contributes to forklift trucks incidents. Do you know how? Number one, narrow aisles. Number two, crowded, cluttered aisles. Number three, shelving that has components that could hit or intrude into the operator area. Number four, obstructions at intersections and doors. Number five, volume of traffic in the work area. Number 6, pedestrians who are walking and working in the general area of forklift operations. Point number 7, other workplace conditions such as noise, odors, toxic gases, dust, or poor lighting. And point number 8, ramps or flooring with different surfaces, condition of loading dock. Dear friends and fellows, if the workplaces are safe and suitably designed, you can reduce the number of accidents and you can keep your workforce away from harm and injuries. Let us discuss now what characteristics of the load create a hazard and that might lead to an accident. Number 1, goods are poorly stacked or piled on the pallet in a way that result in an unstable load. Number 2, pallets are in poor repair. Point number 3, load is too heavy. Point number 4, load is unstable or blocking vision. All these reasons may contribute to a forklift truck accident in a workplace. Dear friends and fellows, forklift is a machine. Can you ignore the mechanical conditions or design features of the machine? I think never at all. Let us discuss now the mechanical conditions and design features that increase the risk of forklift truck accidents. Point number 1, malfunctioning of brakes. Point number 2, malfunctioning of steering. Point number 3, malfunctioning of clutch, shift linkage, or transmission. Point number 4, malfunctioning of mast assembly. Point number 5, leaks in hydraulic systems or transmissions. Point number 6, safety devices lacking, inadequate, or malfunctioning. Point number 7, emissions from forklifts. Point number 8, blind spots or obstructions blocking drivers' vision. Point number 9, poor layout of controls and displays. Dear friends and colleagues, if you like to avoid forklift incidents, then you have to consider all the mechanical conditions and design features of your plants and equipment, how to maintain and how to operate safely as per the guidelines of manufacturer recommendations and instructions. Remember, forklift accidents doesn't happen only because of mechanical failures, because of management lapses, because of poor maintenance, and because of poor workplace designs and layout. Sometimes the forklift accident caused because of pedestrians and the workers working nearby the forklift truck. Let us discuss now how we can stop the forklift accidents that happen just because of pedestrians. Point number 1, separate the pedestrians and forklift traffic by creating designated walkways or travelways. Point number 2, restrict people from entering areas where the forklift is operating. If not possible, develop safe work procedures to protect workers when they must enter areas where forklifts are operating. Number 3, keep a safe distance from the forklift whenever possible. Point number 4, pedestrians should always let the driver know they are in the area. Make eye contact with the driver to ensure your presence is known. Point number 5, make sure the area is well lit and there are no obstructions. Point number 6, be cautious near blind corners, doorways, and narrow aisles. Sound the forklift horn at intersections. This can save your life and the life of others. Dear friends and fellows, as I told you, 85 deaths every year just because of forklift truck accidents. if we will work carelessly, if we'll operate the forklift in an unsafe manner, maybe one day we will also be counted in that figure. Maybe because of over failure, over negligence, and arrogancy. Other worker may be injured and disabled for the whole life. Remember, safety is not a choice. Safety is not a priority. Once you think safety is a value, it means you understand exactly what is the meaning of health and safety in a workplace. And that's all for today. Training session related to forklift safety, part 2, common causes of forklift accidents, is over now. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with the part 3 of forklift safety soon. Till then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.